In this exercise, we will design a ramp. We will design a free loop ramp at the Interstate 40 and Charlotte Pike interchange, exit 201. Zoom into exit 201, I-40 eastbound off-ramp. We first need to design a free loop along the off-ramp. Open the Ramp Designer tool under Road Placement and select the following settings. For ramp type, select Free Loop. The road template that will be used is Ramp 1, lane left origin. Name it Ramp 2. Speed is 25 miles per hour. For curves, select Compound. The radii are 232, 145, and 232. For primary, select Parallel, and secondary, select Parallel. Notice the prompt. Select the primary road as I-40. Select the secondary road as Charlotte Pike. Right-click to accept, and the loop ramp should be created. Click on the Element Selection tool to reset. Lastly, we will edit the taper and auxiliary lane lengths. Left-click on I-40 and edit the taper and auxiliary lane lengths to both be 180. We will adjust the ramp transition location before we place the bridge in a feature exercise. That concludes the exercise on designing a ramp.